How to see Messenger logged in devices. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can see Messenger logged in devices. For this, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the Messenger application. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now scroll all the way down and find the option of See More in Account Center. Once you tap on this option, you want to tap on Password and Security option. Now you have the option of where you're logged in. Tap on this. Go ahead and select your Facebook account from here. Now you're going to find all of your logged in devices over here, and in this way you can see Messenger logged in devices. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.